doing a little bit of night riding. Got a problem? See, it's jackasses like that. They can't see my damn lights on my bike. My lights are plenty fucking bright enough. My lights are plenty bright enough. We got lights everywhere. They can kiss my ass. I swear I don't know what people's problems are. I'm sitting here at the edge of the road, right where I'm supposed to be at. That's and if people can't see that, then they need some fucking glasses. And they can still kiss my fucking ass. Got freaking lights everywhere. Hey!
How you doing, buddy?
Good, what you doing?
This thing was when it was off, so
What is it?
it's a compressor for vegetables.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay,
Now it's running, so let it go.
okay. Yeah, I just had some people honking at me, man. I got a red light right there, blinking. Got this light right here, and the light on this camera.
Okay.
Like, what the hell are they honking at? There ain't no damn freaking bike lane. Move the hell over. Yeah, that light don't work. I don't know how to get it to work.
Right.
It's wiring, but I don't know how to mess with it.
It's wiring, but you don't know how to mess with it.
Yeah.
Probably doesn't have a. Oh.
It blew on me. Well, the horn doesn't work either.
It was on before.
Yeah.
Maybe it's a fuel. You got fuel on this.
I don't know.
You got battery or something,
But here's a horn.
but it doesn't work often.
Yeah, that went out the same day that the light went out.
Throw something right here. You should open this thing, and probably a wire is loosened in there.
Oh, I didn't even think about opening that.
Yeah.
You had 2 screws there.
Yeah, I got 3 screws thing. Yeah, I got 3. Yeah. But when
Okay.
you got that one, I think it will come off. Yeah, because it's loose.
Oh,
See?
I didn't even think about
Yeah,
that.
there's a wire to the light. See, here's the wire. The wire comes from here.
Yep.
Come all the way right here. Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna look at that then.
What are you doing this late?
I'm gonna run this store real quick.
Where are you working right now?
I'm not.
You're working?
Nah, work out of my house now. I've been down here at this hotel at the Econo Lodge for the past 3 weeks now, waiting on this house to open up. And they finally gave me the keys today.
They gave you the keys today?
Yeah.
That's good.
So I'm gonna be moving in Saturday. Just got off the phone with my kids, and they all want to help me move, and
much can you pay for?
It's $645 a month.
$645 a month.
3 bedrooms. They took the garage and walled it off, so it's an enclosed garage with.
You gonna rent it or you gonna buy it?
Renting it.
Rent it.
Well, they're giving me the option of taking over the payments, and then
You're gonna rent it.
I'm just gonna rent it. Yeah.
Yeah. Well, if there's 3 bedrooms, you can rent at least one. Like there's somebody helping you.
I am.
Yeah.
There's this lady. She's kind of like my grandma. She used to help me a long time ago when I was going to church and everything with her.
Yeah.
And she needs help now.
So you're gonna help her?
I'm gonna help her now.
That's good.
It's time to give back. You know.
It's good.
Got to give back.
Yeah, man. Because you never know, like, whenever you're gonna need some help.
Exactly.
You never know that, man.
Just like her.
So
you never thought that this kind of lady,
right,
would have needed help, but.
But I thought you have a house already.
This is the one that with Jeremiah.
No. I mean, well, yeah, it was one, but then you post something on Facebook that you already have one.
Yeah, that was the one that I've been waiting on.
Oh, okay, I got it.
Yeah, Jeremiah, he screwed me bad, man.
Really?
Yeah, he's lying about stuff that doesn't even, like, why would you even lie? Like, every time that I think that there's something wrong with them, I ask him, hey man, is there anything wrong? If there is, let's talk about it. And if there's something that I'm doing,
something I'm doing wrong, I will try to fix it.
I'm gonna try to fix it.
Yeah.
Because he's supposed to be a friend.
Right.
But not him. Not him, man. Not at all, man. It's crazy. He was the last person I would have ever thought to do this to me. But I don't know. Are you doing any cooking in here or anything?
Not right now, my friend.
No? Are you going to, or?
I'm not sure yet. I'm just doing by myself right now, the store and everything, so probably later on. I try to fix, the little room I have in the back.
Yeah.
To make a kitchen, I don't want to make a big thing like over there. I want to make something like some place whatever I can handle it with 4 tables. 4 tables, small place, wherever they can have like, I just want to do like a carry out.
Another taco truck.
Kind of, but inside. More comfortable.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to do right now.
I've still been eating over there.
You still?
Yeah.
It's good, man.
I mean.
A lot of people say it's different, but still calm.
It's a little bit different. Yeah. I mean, he's trying to keep it the same.
Yeah, he's trying to keep
but I think he's trying to get a couple more people in there by bringing in maybe some cheese dips and,
that's why I said.
Stuff like that. But everybody likes cheese dip anyways.
Yeah.
But at the same time, I like yours better because you stuck with the one thing, authenticity. And I really like that about that place. And I don't know if I had anything to do with you opening up or talking to you about opening up that restaurant over there, man. And, but I really love the taco truck.
A lot of people like.
Yeah.
The thing is, like, I can't do it by myself, man. It's a lot of work. A lot of work.
I bet.
You gotta work. You gotta wake up earlier. You gotta bed late.
Because you're always having to prepare.
Yeah, and I was tired about that. And the other thing, like, I was making money, but it wasn't enough only for me,
Yeah.
Because I had a lot of payments. Other than that, it was okay. The money was okay, but too much work, man.
Right.
You gotta get up like 6 o'clock in the morning and go to bed like 11, sometimes 12. Just come, take a shower, go to bed, and the other day, same thing.
See, that's why I don't mind not working over there now.
Yeah.
Because that's what I was doing. As soon as I get up, I come to work. As soon as I get off of work, I go home and I lay down and I go to sleep.
Yeah.
And that's it. And when I do it the way I'm doing it now, I don't have to tattoo as many people because I don't have to give him 50%.
Right. Did you do 2 tattoos? You made 400. That's 400 for you.
That's right.
That's,
And I don't have to
good.
work for the rest of the week.
Yeah, that's good, man.
You know what I mean? I have time to actually do something. Life isn't always about just work.
Yeah, that's right.
You know, you got to be able to.
That's what I'm doing right now. You know, sometimes I got a day off like on Mondays, but sometimes it's stressful, man. Just be in the house just by yourself. So right now, sometimes I be part of the time on my house and part of the time over here at the store. You know,
Yeah,
trying to do something different on Mondays.
that's right.
Not be on, you know, my 4 walls. You know, just watching TV. That's stressful. Also,
Yeah.
you know,
Need to get out. Go to the river.
something. You just need to do something. You know,
Go swimming.
right?
You know, go buy some water.
I don't really like swimming. I don't know much
I don't
about swimming.
swim.
You know, I don't know much swim,
I-
but I like
I
the
just
rivers.
I just like walking in the water.
Right.
I guess it's called wading.
Or just walk. It's good.
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Walk feel good, man. Sometimes you need like feel the air, feel the what do you say, like the natural. I don't know how you
Nature.
Call it. Yeah,
Just being in nature.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah, go to the river, walk trails,
Yeah.
walk in the river, walk on the rocks, sit
was-
down.
I was thinking to buy a 4-wheeler.
Oh, that'd be nice.
I was thinking about buy a 4-wheeler. I tried to sell one of my trucks, and maybe just buy a 4-wheeler and go to the river whenever I had it off.
There you go.
You know, something like that.
Yeah,
Something
Yeah.
like I don't have to worry about life. Just like you say, man. Not everything in the life is work.
no,
You
God,
need a day off.
God didn't put us here just to work, man.
Right, man.
Can't be,
Right.
can't be, man. What is it? You see that building right there?
Yeah.
Man, if I ever owned a tattoo shop, that's the building that I would
Man,
like.
That's the perfect spot.
Yes.
That's the perfect spot.
Isn't
For
that
anything.
That's a badass building,
And
man.
that's for anything, man. Not only for a tattoo shop.
It's been closed forever.
Yeah. I think it was a church, something.
Really?
Yeah, I guess. Or library or something like that. Because the other day I come over there and I look through the windows, and in through there it looks like books everywhere.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't know what it was over there.
Okay.
But yeah, dude, that one is the perfect spot.
Yeah. Nice building. Well, all right, man. I'm going to the store.
All right, my friend.
You have a good night.
You too, my friend. I go to the gym.
You going to the gym?
Yeah.
Oh, man. You still going to work then?
Yeah, my friend.
Bye. See, now he's a good friend. I've known him for a long time now. His name is Gabriel. He used to own the taco truck that used to be right there at that store. But he doesn't do the taco truck no more. Oh boy, here we go. Dangerous area. yeah, he used to own the taco truck when I first met him, and things were actually really good when he had that, not only for him but for me too. I'm not saying they're bad now for me or him. I'm glad he has more time to do more of the things that he likes to do, and which is that place over there. The place over there, it's Planet Fitness. Battery in this is about to go dead. Battery in my phone is about to go dead. So all I need to do is get to this store, get me a few drinks, a couple packs of smokes, and get back to the hotel room. This is one of the places, Bracken's Appliance, or no, yeah, that place and this place, Patrick Furniture. They both have some, say, end tables and little stuff that I need. I also need a lounge chair, a lazy boy, something I can just sit straight back in and kick my feet up. Everything that's going to go into the tattoo studio, it's all going to be wipeable, a wipeable surface. And I did talk to the owner's stepson at the house. The only thing they have left on the inside to do is putting down this sticky flooring, which is a long, slender wood grain flooring. And I'm gonna go help them with that. And that's the laundromat that I really need to come do my laundry at. I should go back, grab the truck, and come back and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and stop it right here. We'll stop it right here at the ice machine.